Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Mastermind Book Club summary of Miracles by Stuart Wilde. In tonight's summary, we shall have a 10-minute meditation. A 10-minute meditation. Why is it so important to meditate? Because you can accomplish anything you want in life now. How? How is this possible? Because you have thoughts, and whatever your thoughts are you putting feeling into them? And are you implementing some type of action? Whatever emotions you have, are you creating some type of motion? Where focus goes, energy flows. So now, let's take these next few minutes to meditate into creating our miracles, our very own miracles. All right, let's begin. I'd like you to take 4 deep breaths, breathe in the new, and hold it. Exhale the old, the past, those things that have been holding you back. Let's repeat. Breathe in the new. Exhale the past. Breathe in the present, the new, the future. Exhale the past, the old, those things that have been holding you back. And one more time. Phase 1. Relax your head. Relax your face. Relax your eyelids. Relax your chin. Relax your neck. Relax your chest. Relax your arms. Relax your legs. Relax your feet. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Meditation, phase 1. Being grateful. We each came into this world, and the first thing that we have is our hearts and the light. Our hearts, we didn't have to work for them. We didn't have to pay for them. But we should be very, very grateful we have a heart. Without this heart, how would we live? How would we survive? I'm so grateful. Touch your heart. Be thankful. Be grateful. A moment of joy. Think of all the great moments your heart has given you. 3 grateful moments that you can be grateful for at this moment. Maybe your kids, your friends, your spouse should be one. Think of a moment with one of these that you are totally grateful for. Number 2, what else could you be grateful for? Maybe it's a moment that you had with a cup of coffee, a meeting with someone, a dinner invitation. Maybe it's some exercise that you had and you accomplished beyond what you were expecting. Maybe a hiking trip, a swimming trip, a canoeing trip, or a trip to visit someone else. Be grateful. The 3rd thing that you're grateful for, what is it? What could it be? Maybe you and someone that you love did something unbelievable, something that has changed your life forever. Be grateful. Maybe it's a job opportunity. Maybe it's a gift that you gave to someone or that you received. Be grateful. And one last one is, what is some coincidence that has come to your life that you were not necessarily expecting, but it happened? It just so happened. Are you grateful? Are you thankful? Or are you filled with joy and laughter? Are you excited? Are you excited? Breathe in. Breathe out. Phase 2. We all come from the light, and we are headed to the light. But did you know that you are made up of light? There's a beam of light that is within us. Sometimes it goes out, but it always comes back in. That beam of light, imagine that white light, blue light, gold light, coming into you, through your body, coming in through your head, going down towards your arms, your legs, healing you and strengthening you. Direct communication with infinite intelligence, or God, as some may like to be called. Healing you, healing your body, healing your mind, healing your spirit, strengthening your faith, your courage, your love, your laughter, your joyfulness, your playfulness. Strengthening and healing. This beam of light within you, around you, surrounding you. Send it out to others near you, your family, your friends, your close friends, your business associates. Send it out there. Send it to heal them, to strengthen them, to provide them with courage, love, compassion, to heal their bodies and mind and spirit. Not only to them, but send it out further, that beam of light. Send it out around your neighborhood, around your state, around your city or country, island, around the world. Healing people, strengthening them. Doesn't this feel good? Breathe in. Breathe out. Phase 3. Now I ask you to travel. Travel to where? To your goals, to your miracles. Travel to what is it that you want to accomplish in your life. 3 goals that you want to accomplish in your life. Could be something unbelievable, because you should shoot for the stars. Shoot for the moon. It's up to you. You can shoot for both of them. But travel there. What is one miracle or goal that you want to acquire in life? And think of it as if you were achieving it now. What feelings do you have? What emotions are created? What colors do you see? What sounds do you hear? Who's surrounding you? Are you living that moment now? Because this is what we're called to do. To live in the now, in the present, whatever it is that we want in our future. You see, this book by Miracles by Stuart Wilde gives us this, provides a map to acquiring whatever it is we want through this meditation. Think, be grateful. Number 2, what is the second thing that you're grateful for, or could be grateful for? Some unbelievable promotion at your job, some business creation, some sales, improved sales, some increased income. Maybe it's something you gave to someone or something that you received in unbelievable fashion. Be grateful, thankful, joyful. Are you excited? Does it fire you up? It should. Number 3, what is the third thing that you could be grateful for, that you want to achieve in your life? Imagine it as if it were happening now. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it incredible? Number 4, this is your direct communication with infinite intelligence, God. God is outside of you, but God is also within inside of you. This is your direct connection with God, your infinite intelligence. Don't ever underestimate it. Always know that the more you practice meditation, the closer of a communication you will have with infinite intelligence or God. Be grateful, thankful, and know that God, infinite intelligence, is within you, among you, around you, in whatever it is that you're doing and whatever it is that you're thinking about. Because your thoughts are things. Your thoughts, written down on paper, become actual things. Always combine the things that matter most, your thoughts with your feelings, and your feelings and emotions, turn them into action. Act upon them, because wherever focus goes, energy flows. Be grateful, be joyful, and as Neville Goddard says, thank you, Father, that thou hast heard me. I knew that you would always hear me. Thank you, Father, that thou hast heard me. I knew that you would always hear me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, to end our meditation and go back to where we started, I'd like you to take 4 breaths, just like when we started. Breathe in the new. Exhale the past, the old. Breathe in the new. Exhale. Breathe in the new. Exhale the past. Breathe in the present, the new. Exhale the past. This is now the end of our meditation, inspired by miracles. Author Stuart Wilde. Thank you.